Let's talk about getting your house ready for sale with kids, especially little ones, because things like this are not gonna fly. When it comes to selling your house without kids, it's challenging enough. But throw little ones into the mix, it is a lot more difficult. But with these tips, you're gonna have a lot easier of a time. I'm Tanya with the Sunshine Real Estate team. Always feel free to call, text, or email me if you have any questions, and I'm more than happy to help. Today, I want to dig in to the nuances of selling your home with a kid or multiple kids and getting through that process. So first and foremost, it is very important to declutter and depersonalize. You want to make sure to take out any of those family photos, get rid of anything extra on the countertop that you don't necessarily use every day, and put it in the drawer somewhere people might not necessarily see it when they come to tour the home. They're going to want to see something clean, almost like a blank slate when it comes to looking at your home. You want to imagine them walking in and imagining their own family being able to move in, similar to like you did whenever you bought the home. And so try to make it as blank as possible. Next, you're going to want to stage when possible and where. So the most important thing is going to be having a space that people can envision themselves in. Those spaces include the kitchen and the living room. And it's important to have the living room as blank as possible because you don't want people to walk in and see that there's toys everywhere or there's clutter that they couldn't necessarily overcome. And so the best way to do this is going to be by having a small bin or something to just throw everything into when those last minute showing requests come in. That's the biggest challenge, is overcoming the showings, especially when they're within an hour or within a few minutes, because you have to get the whole family out of the house and you have to get all the toys put away. So the best advice for keeping each room showing friendly is going to be putting those small items into a box or keeping them in a small drawer or whatever you need to do. Some people even use their entire garage for bigger items like baby gates, high chairs, things like that that people may not necessarily be able to envision themselves moving in because of. And last but not least, it's important to come up with a plan and have it handy. Make sure the entire family knows about that plan when showings are scheduled, because they're going to want to know what's going on and what needs to be done. And if you can assign everybody, I know sometimes it might be challenging depending on the ages, but if you can assign everybody a task to do before getting out of the house, that definitely helps. Especially if you even have pets, you could just have maybe a little one grab one of the pets and get them out of there, plan ahead and be prepared. And if you know what to expect during those showings, whether the buyers are there for 15 minutes or an hour, and you have a plan during that time, it helps make the experience so much better. So if you can just take care of those three things, or keep those in mind when it comes to selling your house with small kids, then your life will be much easier and you can go into it with a lot less stress. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video today, and always don't forget to give me a call or text if you have questions, and then don't forget to subscribe if you want to be part of this tribe. Thanks for watching.